Come. Come on.
Come and look at the bunny, Jackson.
Ready? Oh, here he comes. Catch him.
Can you get the bunny?
Come on, get him. Oh, there he is. Did he hop on Jackson? Hop, 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 hop. Does the Easter Bunny hop, hop,
Can
hop?
you hop like the Easter bunny?
Let's see, what does the Easter Bunny do?
Hop, hop, hop.
Hop. Can you hop?
Oh.
Easter Bunny lays down.
He's so scared of it. You're scared of the Easter bunny?
A little fuzzy bit.
Come over here, Jackson.
Mom, help me.
Come here.
Is the Easter Bunny hopping on your box? On your toy box?
Jackson, can you give the Easter bunny a kiss?
Here he comes.
Can you give the bunny a kiss?
Can you back up any further?
He's hiding. Come back, Jackaroo. He won't come back in here. He is scared.
Of a little shit son you have. Oh, I got him. Come here and catch him. Put your hand out. Come here and catch him. See? Easter Bunny. Jackaroo. There he comes.
Jackson!
Good Lord.
This is what he's
Pretty
afraid
scary.
of. Jackson, come on.
Pretty scary.
Come over here.
Your sister wouldn't scream at you, Easter Bunny. Look
Come
at the
on.
Easter Bunny. He's cute.
Look, he won't even come over here. The baby's over here with me, Jax. Here, come here. Come and get the Easter bunny. You see baby Ella? Okay, say bye-bye. Can you get the Easter bunny?
Easter Bunny's off. Should I turn him on? Yeah? You want me to turn him on, but you want to be real far away. Okay. Here he comes. There he goes. I'm going to catch him. Here he comes. Jackson, you want to hold him? Want to hold the Easter Bunny? Just put out your hand.